Snapchat birthday change limit. Fix it fast, step by step. Snapchat won't let you change your birthday and you're stuck with the wrong date on your account. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this fast using every option available in 2026. Step 1. Understand the limit first. Snapchat only allows you to change your birthday once ever inside the app. This policy exists to protect younger users from bypassing age restrictions. Once that one change is used up, the edit button disappears completely. Step 2. Check if your one change is still available. Open Snapchat, tap your profile icon, tap the settings gear, scroll to my account, then tap birthday. If the edit option is still there, use it right now. Enter your correct date of birth and save it immediately before it locks permanently. Step 3. If the field is already locked, your only option is contacting Snapchat support directly. Open your browser and go to support, Snapchat.com. Tap My Account and Security, then Account Settings, then Birthday. Fill out the contact form with your Snapchat username, the wrong birthday currently showing, and your actual correct date of birth. Step 4. When writing your support message, be clear and specific. Explain that your birthday was entered incorrectly and that your one permitted in-app change has already been used. Polite and detailed requests get reviewed faster and are far more likely to get approved by a real person on Snapchat's support team. Step 5. Check the email linked to your Snapchat account for a response. Snapchat typically replies within 2 to 7 business days and will update your birthday directly from their end if your request is approved. Pro tip: if your first support request gets no response within a week, submit a follow-up ticket referencing your original case. A second contact almost always gets faster attention and better results. To recap, check if the in-app edit is still available and use it immediately. Contact Snapchat support at support, Snapchat.com if it is locked, explain your situation clearly. And follow up if needed. Your correct birthday is absolutely recoverable. If this helped you out, like and subscribe for more Snapchat fixes and drop a comment below telling me if support came through for you. See you in the next one.